In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish website Bluehost. By the end, you'll have a live WordPress site up and running using Bluehost's built-in tools with no extra plugins or complicated setup. First, sign into your Bluehost account and head to the My Account area. This is your central hub. From here, look for the option that opens your WordPress admin. Clicking that launches your site's WordPress dashboard, where all the building and publishing happens. Inside WordPress, use the AI Site Creator. You'll see two clear paths. Create a new site from scratch with AI or import an existing WordPress site. Choose what fits your situation. The AI option is great if you want a quick, professional starting point. If you're importing, just make sure you have your existing site materials handy so the process is smooth. Next, enter your site title. This is the name that appears in your browser tab and often in your header. Don't overthink it. You can change it later. Keep it short, clear, and reflective of your brand. You'll then add your site type. Pick the category that best matches what you're building, like a business site, blog, portfolio, or store. This helps the AI tailor layouts, features, and content blocks to your needs. Now, describe your site. In a few sentences, explain what you offer, who it's for, and the style or tone you prefer. The more specific you are, the better the AI can shape headings, sections, and calls to action. Think of this as giving your site's first creative brief. When you're happy with those details, click Next to move forward. The AI will generate options based on your inputs. You'll then choose a website template the AI created. Take a moment to preview each option. Look at the structure of the homepage, the clarity of navigation, and how it might scale as you add content. Check how it looks on desktop and mobile. Pick the layout that feels closest to your vision. You can always fine-tune colors, images, and text later. Finally, click Save and Publish. This makes your site live on the web. It may take a minute or two for everything to update. If your domain was just connected, give it a little time for changes to propagate. Once it's live, visit your homepage in a private browser window to confirm it looks right and verify your essential pages and links are working. That's it. You've published your website with Bluehost. Nice work, and enjoy building from here.